Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. As you can see that the silver price is trading at around $18.435. Okay, and if you look at this particular price, what we have seen, there is a continuous downfall after making a high of around $21.231. Okay, what we have seen after that, it was continuously in this particular zone, and once this zone breaks downside, there is a probability that we can see it can move further low, because this is the range where we have seen the silver price for quite some time. Okay, so probability is there because this level is already being tested here for 2-3 times, so chances are high that it can go further down. Okay, or if this particular level sustain, or it has already formed a swing at this particular level, so if it goes above this level, we can see it can go and touch a level of around 19 and further upside, because as you can see all these support resistance is already being tested here, so probability is high that it can go further upside. Before we move forward and explain you where it can go in the next 2 days, if you have any doubt, mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work in silver, and a comment and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Okay, now look at this particular chart. If you look at this particular chart closely, what you can see that this is the range. Okay, and if this range sustain, which is a high probability that this swing has already formed here. Okay, so till the time it is sustaining a level of around 18.153, we can see it can move upside. But once if it crosses this, probability is there it can move further down. So once this level sustain, trading at around $18.420, we can see it can go further upside towards a level of $18.814 if the price sustain this particular level. Okay, and after that what we can see, it can go further upside towards a level of $19.074. Okay, this $19.074, because a level of around 19.079 is already being tested here, so probability is there we can see it can touch a level of $19.078, and from there we can see it can go further upside towards a level of $19.685. If that level sustain above a level of 19, then there is high chances that we can see it can move further upside, because a level of 19.357 is again a weak resistance, so chances are again high that we can see it can go further up, can touch a level of $19.537, and price move over level of $19.35, there is chances it can touch this particular level, because all these resistance in between are being tested here, that a level of around 19.306, a level of around 19.503, and a level of around 19.779. these resistance are already weak resistance, so probability is very high we can see it can cross this particular level and can touch a level of $20.026. Okay, and once the price move above that particular level, there is high chances we can see it can go towards a level of 20.5, which is again a weak resistance, so probability is very high that once the price goes above a level of 20, we can see it can move further upside. Okay, or what we can see looking at this particular chart, once the price fall below this particular level, which is high chances that once the price move below this particular level, we can see it can touch a level of $18.205. Okay, and if the price move below that particular level, then we can see it can touch a level of $18.076. Okay, and if that level goes further down, then there is chances of touching $7.9, and from there we can see it can touch a level of around $17.5. Keep this in mind, once the price touch this 17.5, we can see a bounce back towards an upside, but 17.5 acting as a good resistance. Once it touch this particular level, then we can see it can come down and fall this particular level again down, further down, so probability is there we can see it can touch a level of 16.8, and from there we can see it can move further low. Okay, so you have to keep this in mind, once the price fall below 17.5, then there's high chances, because this level has not touched since long, so probability is very high we can see it can go further down towards a level of $16.9, and from there we can see it can move further low. So you have to keep this in mind, once the price move below 17.5, or then there is high chances that we can see it can go towards a level of 17.3 and towards a level of around 16.9. Okay, so hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.